There are many forms of washing and cutting. How many do you know? Today, I will show you. What are the 10 common washing and cutting forms? Planer washing. Planer washing is to use the peripheral or end blade of the washing knife along a direction parallel to the workpiece plane to form a plane parallel to the feed direction of the workpiece. Grooving. Grooving is to use the circular and end blades of the cutter to machine open or closed grooves on the workpiece. Step milling. Step milling. Use the circular and end faces of the washing knife to process steps on one or both sides of the workpiece. When washing narrow grooves, a thin disc saw blade is used to cut the workpiece. Cutting part groove. A slot is milled on the shaft to form a closed, flat or semicircular workpiece. Cutting T-groove. After washing the straight grooves, a T-shaped groove with required accuracy can be washed at once. Cutting teeth. Gear tooth shaping means using forming method or fan forming method to cut the tooth shape of gears or racks. Cut spiral grooves. Wash curved surfaces. Washing curved surface means using a washing knife to make a two-dimensional movement to produce a curved surface. Cutting three-dimensional curved surface. Three-dimensional curved surface washing. It means the vertical cutting knife moves in 3 dimensions to process complex and diverse three-dimensional curved surfaces.